Let us continue the second portion of the same essay hints. That is, from two we were having one in the previous video, and now second point, unemployment. Population is more means unemployment problem will come. Next, standards of education will fall down and illiteracy will be increasing, because mostly the population explosion occurs with the uneducated group. Then they won't insist on literacy. Therefore, illiteracy increases. Then public transport will be incapable of handling commuters. It's everywhere. Population will be more means it will be difficult. And then roads will always be jammed with traffic. There will be heavy traffic which jammed up. The roads will be jammed up. Then pollution leads to pollution. And we need to find out some remedy. So remedy is government's effort is needed. Of course, present days we all know government takes a lot of effort to control the population. Then mass media. Mass media should bring awareness through their programs. Education institutions also should educate the people due to the because of the ill effect of this population explosion, what all the difficulties we face, that should be made aware through education. As a conclusion, only if the problem, see when the war comes, so many thousands and thousands of people are dying. That is not the remedy. So, if only if a problem is tackled on a war footing, aggressively, war footing is aggressively it is, and there will be no positive results will come for the control of population explosion. So this is the end of the hints for this essay. Kindly write in case you come across this topic. Thank you and bye-bye.